Hello friends, I am Dr. Adil Khatri from MH Sabasidi College of Engineering. I am an assistant professor in Department of Humanities and Applied Sciences. Now this is the thermal analysis of pure metal. Now graph A in front of you is for thermal analysis for pure metal and graph B is for mixture of metal. This is also called as cooling curves. This is cooling curve for pure metal, this is for mixture of metal. Okay. Now let's say we'll consider graph A. Now what I have done here, I have taken a metal and that metal is converted to liquid and that liquid is allowed to cool at room temperature, and I will plot that graph, temperature versus time. As the temperature reduces, you will get this type of curve, okay, till point B. Now at the point B, the beginning of freezing of metal take place. Now from B to C, you will see that there is no decrease in the temperature. Why? Because the freezing from liquid to solid, it's an exothermic process. Because of that, there is no reduction in the temperature till point C. Now at the point C, end of freezing. Now at point B, the beginning of freezing start, and point C, the end of freezing will take place. So this is the temperature will not reduce from B to C. Why? Because we know that from liquid to solid, this process is exothermic process. You might be knowing term as latent heat of fusion. Now once everything converted to solid, then the temperature start reducing from C to D. So this is for pure metal. Now let us see for the mixture of metal. Now suppose I have taken mixture as of metal M1 and M2. I have taken only two metals. Now that is completely converted to liquid. Now I will allow it to cool at room temperature, and same as this I will plot a graph of temperature versus time. Now till point B, everything will be in liquid. As soon as it reaches point B, the beginning of freezing of one of the component will take place. The beginning of freezing of one of the component will take place. Again, the freezing, I told you, liquid to solid is an exothermic process. That is why there is a break in the curve and only one of the component start getting separated as solid. So freezing of one of the component will take place. Now at the point C, if you see from point C, the beginning of freezing of eutectic will take place. Now what is eutectic? Eutectic means easy melting. Eutectic mixture, that means here this is your eutectic mixture. It's a solid solution of two or more substance having lowest freezing point. So now it is a fixed point. Now this is a fixed proportion. So fixed proportion of M1 and M2. So at the fixed proportion of M1 and M2, the beginning of freezing take place till point D. Now this point is called as eutectic point. This temperature is called as eutectic point. Okay. Now this is the lowest temperature of the mixture. So till D, again the temperature will not reduce. As I told you, the reason is same. It is from liquid to solid. It's an exothermic process, and that is why the temperature will not reduce till D. So everything will get solidify, and then after the reducing that, then after temperature will reduce from D to E. So this is your eutectic point, and this is for eutectic mixture. Eutectic is nothing but easy melting, and eutectic mixture is so solid solution of two or more substance having lowest freezing point. Now it's a mixture. Now suppose let's say M1 and M2. Suppose its eutectic mixture is M1 is to M2 is let's say 1 is to 99. So it is fixed at 1 is to 99 only this will take place. Is that clear? So this is your eutectic mixture, this is your eutectic point.